everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia. I'm a holistic vocal coach and I help people not only transfer their voices but also transform their lives. And today we are on a different kind of video, helping you to really take the most out of this period of being quarantined, being in your houses. If you are an essential employee, employer, wherever you are, my heroes. My mom, she's a nurse. I know what she's going through, and it's definitely not easy. And I salute you. And honestly, without you guys, we couldn't even be here doing this video. I couldn't do this video, or you guys watching it. So thank you. Thank you for sacrificing your lives and make this world a little better. And thank you. That's all I have to say. But today I want to focus on how to help us to maximize this time that I've been quarantined for the past 3.5 weeks, almost 4. I've been sick. I also did a video of how to cope with if you feel like you have one of the symptoms, or even you don't and you feel something is weird, go check this video out. There's a lot of good hacks and tips of how to cope with if you feel like you have the coronavirus or you do have it. It doesn't matter. Try one of those supplements that I recommended. It's awesome. But I want to talk about more of how we can make the most out of this time. Now, again, there's no wrong or right. Everything that I say to you, I found that helped me. So I would love to hear your opinion. What helped you to make this time a little more sane and more productive, right? And more something you look back and say, wow, I actually found it very, very helpful. I'm grateful that I actually did that. So if you have one of those things, please comment them in the description bar below. And if you didn't do so, please like and subscribe this video so you can get a new notification every single time I'm uploading a brand new video. And let's jump for the first tip of how to cope with coronavirus quarantine time. So the first tip for me, guys, is declutter your space. I know it's not fun one. I know it's a known one, but oh God, it makes such a difference because this is your space right now. You are at your home and it doesn't feel right when everything is just thrown everywhere. Everything is a mess and it just physically doesn't feel right. So I really urge you to take the time and go every, your closet, every small things you don't really get opportunity to clean and look and rethink if you really need it or you don't, do that. And what I like to do, so I'm not feeling overwhelmed, right, is actually assigning 1 hour for this specific place. So let's say if it's my closet, I need more than 1 hour. So let's say good 2-3 hours, but I really take outside everything that I just take outside everything and I'm looking at that particular clothes and I deciding if I want to donate it, if I want to keep it, if I want to just throw it away. But usually I don't throw it away. I always try to give back to one of the charities or people that truly need it. So do that, guys. I can't even tell you how much I feel right away so much better having everything kind of organized and clean, and it's just uplift your mood right away. So the secret to make this time a little bit more sane for me was creating a powerful routine. And I mean powerful routine. But the trick is actually make space for rest in between. Don't bombard yourself with so many goals and so many to-do lists and so many things that you're just feeling overwhelmed and you're not going to do anything. This is what I did for myself for the past 7 years. I am an overachiever. I'm trying to do everything and basically doing nothing. So I really urge you right now, less is more, okay? But it's all about feeling good. This is where you want to make time for yourself to feel good. So whatever that is, put a list of the things that makes you feel good. For me, it's meditation. For me, it's to take a bubble bath or do a yoga session or a Zumba class or sing or learn a new skill, which we're going to talk about it soon. Read a book, talk to a friend, all those things that make you feel good, right? And make yourself a powerful routine where you start your day very strongly on a positive note. for me, it's a good meditation. My gratitude list, things I'm grateful for, at least 10 things you're grateful for. Let me tell you, just that will transform your life. And I'm not kidding. If you do meditation, whatever kind of meditation, people think, oh my God, I can't meditate, I can't meditate, I can't meditate. I understand. We all have our own meditation, our own way to meditate and get to our center. No problem. But try different methods until you see something that really resonates with you and you feel like, oh, yes, now I get it. And that's where your mind expands, your subconscious expands, you're feeling better, you're feeling more present. And there's nothing more amazing than feeling happy and peaceful, no matter what are the circumstances, because you are in that space of peaceful state, and everything else just will be a reflection of it, right? So have your meditation and then your gratitude list that I do every single day, 10 things I'm grateful for. And right away, you're starting your day in such a powerful way, and it will take you less than 30 minutes, right? And then your next thing is gonna be your good chunk of work, 2 to 3 hours. If you're working from home, work from home. If you are applying for new jobs, go apply for these jobs. Guys, there's so much things to do. You have a gift of some sort of writing or copywriting, right? Or you are great with photography, or you're good at different things, whatever you're really good at. Go to different sites that offer your services, and you can work from home or online. It's just amazing. There's so many ways to earn extra money, not physically going anywhere. And let me tell you, don't look at it as an excuse for you to not do anything. This is your responsibility to take for yourself and say, okay, it's happening, it's a fact, but I'm deciding to make the most out of it. And maybe it's a sign from God. If you were let off your job, maybe this was an opportunity for you to go pursue what you really wanted. And take the time to learn the skills, talk to the people that are in that field and understand how it is to work at it, and get your foot into the door wherever everything is finishing. And before you know it, you're already in that industry already. You understand how it works, and it's just easier transition. All those things are, there's so many things you can do. But one thing I really urge you to do is just do the first step. Don't stay still. Don't freeze yourself and wait for something to happen. You have to make the first step and believe everything will work for you. Life happens for you, not to you. Always remember that. That's a motto that I live by. Now you have your, something you do in the afternoon. It could be having your lunch, whatever. But make those anchor time, like the morning, the afternoon, and evening time, those 3 very clear for you, because that would anchor your day and you feel secure, you feel better, you feel more accomplished, you feel more positive. Okay, so whatever powerful routine you have, go apply, but make sure you have rest time in between, so you're not bombarding yourself with a lot of activities and you're just gonna feel like, ugh. No, it's about being, not doing. It's about being and not doing. There's a big difference. Now, tip number 3, and something that helped me, is actually dress to express, not to impress, but we're here to express. And it's very important, because when I dress in my pajamas and I'm just putting my robe and walking all day with my robe, yes, some days I feel like it, and you know what, it's okay. But when I put my jeans, or I put my dress, or I put something a little bit put together, I really truly feel better. And I don't know what it is, but it's really reflecting my inner feeling, I guess. I don't know. And it's just kind of making a statement to the world where I'm ready. I am ready. Even if I have my Zoom meetings, my classes and my lessons that I teach, I feel better. I feel better too, because I'm presenting myself to the world in a better way. So whatever outfit makes you feel good that day, go ahead and put it, even if it's crazy. Try out different combinations and different colors you're not used to wear. Why not? Have fun. Now, tip number 4, and my favorite one, is learning new skill. Guys, This is the time. It's not what it used to be even 10 years ago, where you wanted to learn something and in depth, not superficial, but in depth, learning a new skill. You had to go somewhere physically to learn it, to sit in a class for whatever time, waste the time going there, coming back, traveling, all those things that involve in being physically in a class. Now we have access to so much information, so many things, so many online courses, so many free knowledge even on YouTube, that there's no excuse. So put a list of the things that excite you, that you always wanted to learn. And it could be stupid things like learning how to cook. It's not stupid, but whatever you think it's not really important, why not? This is the time for you to take those online courses or programs, whatever you decide to, and do that and learn that skill. Because let me tell you, before you know it, it's gonna be over. And what a better way to come out of this whole thing, learning a new skill. Because let me tell you, if you're not learning, you're not growing. And living and feeling a sense of living, it's always about learning and growing and feeling like you are actually moving forward and not taking a few steps back. No. Don't take this time to completely shut yourself down and watch a bunch of Netflix shows. And yes, you can do that, but really make the time to respect yourself and love yourself and give yourself the gift of learning a new skill. And let me tell you, I have so many more clients right now working with me, students that are eager to learn to sing, and they always say, oh my God, I was so busy and working and this, and I'm actually right now so focused and motivated to learn how to sing. And let me tell you, it's just so amazing. And when this whole quarantine is over, before you know it, they're gonna go and they have already a voice they can go and conquer the world with. It's so empowering, it's so motivating, just change your whole day upside down, right? So if you want to learn how to sing and you're interested, I'm actually opening a brand new masterclass webinar that I'm hosting, and I would love for you to be there. So if you're interested to learn how to transform your voice and your life, please email me. All the information is going to be in the description bar below, but it's obviously completely free, a gift from me to you. So make sure you're signing up and you being part of it, because it's going to be limited seated. It's not going to be for everyone. So hope I'll see you there, guys. And let's move to our next tip. So our next tip is actually connecting. So connecting not only outside, but first most, you want to connect to yourself first. And as I mentioned, meditation, journaling, writing down your feelings, expressing your feelings. Let me tell you, we are all affected by it, whether we know it or we don't, we're aware of it or we don't. It is affecting us because the world is changing, not just the coronavirus, something else happening more than we can actually that meets the eye, and that's okay. But we have to be not only strong on the outside and physically, but we have to make sure we're connecting to our inner being and feeling connected. And when I'm saying connected, you know what I mean, if you know what I mean. But it's very important to take the time and practice this connection via meditation, via journaling, via gratitude, whatever you feel you are addressing your inner being, your inner child, your spirit, your soul. For a lot of people, it's writing songs or singing, but whatever that is, connection to yourself, use this time. Put even 20 minutes a day for that. You will not regret. Now, the second connection is outside. Guys, don't stay inside. Connect with people. Talk to people. Use your social media, not just to post a new COVID-19 post, but really connect with people. Reach out to people you're usually not reaching out to. You'll be surprised. Well, what kind of friendship you can build over the internet, that we like to put a shame kind of title and say, oh, it's not like meeting a person. Again, of course, but what a gift we have. We can connect with everybody in this world and make meaningful relationships even via internet. So use this time to connect with people individually. If you have your social platform, go out there, do your live sessions, connect with your audience as much as you can. I know that I want to start connecting with you guys even more. So please stay tuned. If you want to be part of my Facebook page, go to my Facebook. That's where mostly I'm going to put my lives, and also here on YouTube. And I'm actually opening a very exclusive Facebook group for you guys, for us, for like-minded singers who are all about singing in the best. So learning all those tips and best exercises, but also our well-being, everything holistic in terms of our physical, mental, and also spiritual, all things combined to provide us a space where we can connect with each other, express, and also support one another. So this group is going to be very unique, not only that we can share ideas and connect with one another, but you can post your performances, you can post your latest posts on Instagram, where we can really like and support each other's messages. And again, if you want to learn more about it, please click in the link in the description bar below. You're gonna get a little bit more information about that. And can't wait to see and connect you guys on Facebook. So here you go, guys. Here are all my tips of how to overcome and actually conquering this quarantine time and this COVID-19 period like a champ, seriously. And please remember, it's not about doing, it's about being, right? So it's all about being happy and find the peace and happiness and joy in these times where everything seems so not. But let me tell you, miracles are about to come to our lives, to all of us, and everything will change for the better. So I love you guys. If you have more tips or more things you want to share, please don't be shy and put it in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please put the like and hit the subscribe button so you can get every single time a new video from me. And what else I wanted to say? That's it. I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you next time.